FIG stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? We're breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos, 5 years of experience, and it's all documented. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And mainly right now, FIG is a bullish market, even though we didn't have that much data and that much candles. Like how I look to do is take it up, but we just opened higher, and then, you know, that's the end of that. Ultimately, just get rid of this. I always like to just keep it very simple, just so you can have more clarity. The only thing that will matter to me is the price pulling down into my demand zone or something like that, and then me taking it higher, right? In this case, this is the 5-minute chart, so probably we'll need to have either like a 5-minute shift or a 1-minute shift. And that is totally fine for me because I'm open-minded for longs. But it's just that the rules are, if they're not met, I'm not buying. You know, very simple. All with the goal to aim towards 142. Definitely will keep you updated. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.